Hello everyone, welcome back to Kota Education Career Point. Today we are going to discuss about previous year Sanitary Inspector question paper. Actually this questions is also helpful for other paramedical examinations also. So let's begin with question number 1. Aims of the National Nutrition Policy is option 1 is to reduce the burden of malnutrition in the country. Option 2 is to highlight the need of intersectorial coordination to achieve nutritional goals. Option 3 is both of the above. Option 4 is none of the above. So the correct answer is both of the above. Question number 2 is infant mortality refers to the number of deaths below dash years of age per thousand lives birth. Option 1 is 1 year, option 2 2 year, option 3 3 year, option 4 4 years. So the correct answer is 1 year. Question number 3 is an example of incomplete protein is option 1 is ZN, option 2 is egg, option 3 is milk and option 4 is fish. So the correct answer is ZN. Question number 4 is what is the recommended dietary allowance for iron for girls between 10 to 15 years of age as per ICMR 2010. Option 1 is 27 mg per day, option 2 is 20 mg per day, option 3 is 33 mg per day and option 4 is 35 mg per day. So the correct answer is 27 mg per day. Question number 5 is a vaccine can be option 1 is an antigenic protein, option 2 is weakened pathogen, option 3 is live mutated pathogen, option 4 is all of the above. So the correct answer is all of the above. Question number 6 is vitamin A, D, E and K are option 1 is fat soluble vitamins, option 2 water soluble vitamins, option 3 insoluble vitamins, option 4 none of the above. So the correct answer is fat soluble vitamins. Question number 7 is in general nutritional deficits in the breastfeeding mother. Option 1 is reduce the quantity of her milk, option 2 reduce all nutrients equally, option 3 is stop lactation entirely, option 4 is none of the above. So the correct answer is reduce the quantity of her milk. Question number 8 is the development of a fertilized egg from conception until the end of 2 months development. Option 1 is ova, option 2 is fetus, option 3 is zygote, option 4 is embryo. The correct answer is embryo. Question number 9 is the fetus is especially subject to an teratogenic effect of some chemicals during which period of time. Option 1 is first trimester, option 2 fertilization, option 3 second trimester, option 4 third trimester. So the correct answer is first trimester. Question number 10 is which of the following water soluble vitamins does not pose a particularly high risk of toxicity? Option 1 is vitamin B6, option 2 thiamine, option 3 is vitamin C and option 4 is niacin. So the correct answer is thiamine. Question number 11 is fetus receives nutrition through option 1 is antibodies, option 2 is meconium, option 3 is placenta, option 4 is embryonic fluid. So the correct answer is placenta. Question number 12 is the dietary recommendation for retinol for a expectant mother as per ICMR 2010 is option 1 is 800 mg micrograms per day, option 2 is 650 micrograms per day, option 3 is 550 micrograms per day and option 4 is 700 micrograms per day. So the correct answer is 800 micrograms per day. Question number 13 is a visual food guide which enables an individual to understand the recommendation for dietary guidelines and put them into practices is option 1 is food guide pyramid, option 2 energy pyramid, option 3 protein pyramid and option 4 is none of the above. So the correct answer is food guide pyramid. Question number 14 is which of the following types of beriberi are correct except option 1 is dry beriberi, option 2 is cardiac beriberi, wet beriberi, option 3 is infantile beriberi, option 4 is generic beriberi. So the correct answer is generic beriberi. Question number 15 is 10 mg of ionized salt provides dash mg of iodine. Option 1 is 150, option 200, option 3 120 and option 4 is 80. So the correct answer is 150. Question number 16 is insulin deficiency causes. Option 1 is diabetes insipidus, option 2 is goiter, option 3 diabetes mellitus, option 4 is all of the above. So the correct answer is diabetes mellitus. Question number 17 is what are the important tasks which the community health centers undertakes. Option 1, disposing of the sewage. Option 2, germ free drinking water. Option 3 is immunization, health education. Option 4 is all of the above. So the correct answer is all of the above. Question number 18 is vaccines make the body. Option 1 is produce antibodies. Option 2, produce more RBCs. Option 3, produce dead bacteria. Option 4 is none of these. So the correct answer is produced antibodies. Question number 19 is expected weight gain during third trimester of pregnancy is. Option 1 is 1 pound a week. Option 2, 2 pound a week. Option 3, 10 pounds in a week, in a month. Option 4 is none of the above. So the correct answer is 1 pound a week. Question number 20 is the RDA for calcium for the growth boys between 10 to 17 years of age as per ICMR 2010. Option 1 is 500 mg per day. Option 2 is 600 mg per day. Option 3, 800 mg per day. And option 4 is 900 mg per day. So the correct answer is 800 mg per day. Question number 21 is most vaccines are. Option 1 is taken by mouth. Option 2 is injected in body by injection. Option 3 is inhaled. Option 4 is taken with food. So the correct answer is injected in body by injection. Question number 22 is Pradhan Mantri Gramoday Yojana focused on creation of social and economic infrastructures which include. Option 1 is rural roads. Option 2, safe and potable drinking water. Option 3 is better housing, and option 4 is all of the above. So the correct answer is all of the above. Question number 23 is food pyramid for Indians as per NIN 2010 suggests. Option 1 is eat adequately. Option 2, eat moderately. Option 3, eat sparingly. Option 4 is all of the above. So the correct answer is all of the above. Question number 24 is a flu vaccination must be given to a person every year because. Option 1 is a virus can change from one year to the next year to the next. Option 2 is it is too strong to stay in your body forever. Option 3, the vaccine dries after a certain period of time. Option 4 is none of this. So the correct answer is the vaccine can change from one year to the next year. Question number 25 is consequences of PAM are mostly. Option 1 is irreversible growth retardation. Option 2, increased risk of mortality. Option 3 is low consecutive performance. Option 4 is all of the above. So the correct answer is all of the above. Question number 26 is Annapurna. The Annapurna scheme aims to provide food security to meet the requirements of dash groups. Option 1 is pregnant mothers. Option 2 is adolescent girls. Option 3, old age. Option 4 is critically ill patients. So the correct answer is old age. Question number 27 is immune disorders includes. Option 1 is hypersensitivity. Option 2 is autoimmune disease. Option 3 is immunodeficiency. Option 4 is all of the above. So the correct answer is all of the above. Question number 28 is high density lipoprotein is known as. Option 1 is bad cholesterol. Option 2 is poor cholesterol. Option 3 is good cholesterol, and option 4 is all of the above. So the correct answer is good cholesterol. Question number 29 is no one is immune to AIDS. Option 1 is true. Option 2 false. Option 3 cannot say. Option 4 none of the above. So the correct answer is true. Question number 30 is nutritional status assessed by use of. Option 1 is anthropometric measurements. Option 2 assessment guide. Option 3 living conditions. Option 4 is none of the above. So the correct answer is anthropometric measurements. Question number 31 is in India severe acute malnutrition occurs in young children and is the major cause of. Option 1 is mortality. Option 2 food poisoning. Option 3 anemia. Option 4 iodine deficiency. So the correct answer is mortality. Question number 32 is they do not supply energy but they play a role to regulation and utilization of micronutrients. Option 1 fats. Option 2 carbohydrates. Option 3 proteins. Option 4 vitamin and minerals. So the correct answer is vitamin and minerals. Question number 33 all stages of rashes are seen in. Option 1 chickenpox. Option 2 measles. Option 3 typhoid, and option 4 is smallpox. The correct answer is chickenpox. Question number 34 is as per the dietary guidelines for Indian one should. Option 1 is eat variety of food from all the food groups to ensure a balanced diet. Option 2 discourage breastfeeding. Option 3 is encourage overeating. Option 4 promote high use of fats as a source of high energy. So the correct answer is eat variety of food from all food groups to ensure a balanced diet. Question number 35 is the placenta is metabolically active and matures throughout pregnancy. Option 1, it synthesizes several amino acid and hormones. Option 2, it transfers oxygen and nutrients from mother to fetus. Option 3, both of the above. And option 4 is it is a part of a special life support system for the fetus. So the correct answer is both of the above. Question number 36 is consequences of iron deficiency includes. Option 1 is negative effect on energy metabolism. Option 2 is reduced work performance and productivity. Option 3 is increased risk of pregnancy. Option 4 is all of the above. So the correct answer is all of the above. Question number 37 is which of the following is true of chickenpox? Option 1 is virus is not found in scab. Option 2 caused by RNA virus. Option 3 is does not cross the placenta barrier. Option 4 is virus can grow on a chick embryo. Virus is not found in scab. Question number 30 is recommended dietary allowance can be used at various levels as a basic of policy maker as well as industry. As option 1 is it provide guidelines to understand the essential nutrition requirements for energy and other nutrients as per physical activity, psychological status, age and sex. Option 2 is it helps in knowing an individual and his behavior. Option 3 is it provides recommendation for undernourished, obese or sick people. Option 4 is all of the above. So the correct answer is it provides guidelines to understand the essential nutrition requirements for the energy and other nutrients as per physical activity, psychological status, age and sex. Question number 39 is the prevention of osteoporosis and fractures. Vitamin D nutrition is as important as that of option 1 vitamin A, option 2 vitamin E, option 3 vitamin K and option 4 calcium. So the correct answer is calcium. Question number 40 is food used to enhance the nutrients present in a person diets or menu is known as. Option 1 is supplementation, option 2 is complement, option 3 is subtraction, option 4 is none of the above. So the correct answer is supplementation. Question number 41 is iodine deficiency in adult could result in. Option 1 is goiter with its complications, option 2 coronary artery disease, option 4 is dyslipidemia, option 4 is megaloblastic anemia. So the correct answer is goiter and it's with its complications. Question number 42, which condition can result if calorie particularly low, very low in the pregnancy, the result of poor pregnancy, poor energy supply to the fetal brain, possibly leading to disease, decreased brain development. Option 1 is apoptosis, option 2 is diverticulosis, option 3 is ketosis, option 4 is all of the above. So the correct answer is ketosis. Question number 43 is which of the following disease not caused by bacteria? Option 1 is tuberculosis, option 2 is cholera, option 3 tetanus, option 4 influenza. The correct answer is influenza. Question number 44 is all are the true about measles except option 1 incubation period of 10 to 14 days, option 2 is more severe in malnutrition, option 3 is subclinical infection, option 4 is secondary attack rate is 30%. Correct answer is secondary attack rate is 30%. Question number 45 is a pregnant woman has a perinatal test performed. The doctor are not looking for which potential problem. Option 1 is mumps, option 2 is Down syndrome, option 3 is sickle cell anemia, option 4 is spina bifida. So the correct answer is mumps. Question number 46 is the primary and the most effective provitamin A or carotenoid is the option 1 is alpha carotene, option 2 beta carotene, option 3 gamma carotene, option 4 is cryptotoxin. So the correct answer is beta carotene. Question number 47 is the recommended dietary allowance for folate for the pregnant woman as per ICMR 2010 is option 1 is 500 microgram per day, option 2 400 microgram per day, option 3 300 microgram per day, option 4 350 microgram per day. So the correct answer is 500 microgram per day. Question number 48 is why are the non-immunized school age children often protected from vaccine prevented disease such as diphtheria, measles and polio? Option 1 is because they are still protected by maternal antibodies. Option 2 because these diseases have been eradicated. Option 3 is because of majority of children immunized against this disease. Option 4 is because such disease exists only under developed countries. So the correct answer is because the majority of children are immunized against this disease. Question number 49 is which of the following characterize prenatal development? Option 1 is it is the shortest stage of human lifespan. Option 2 it is highly critical stage in human development. Option 3 is it is the stage which most development occurs at the most rapid rate. Option 4 is all of the above. So the correct answer is all of the above. Question number 50 is carriers are associated with transmission of disease in all except option 1 cholera, option 2 typhoid, option 3 diphtheria, and option 4 is measles. Correct answer is measles. Question number 51 is which of the following disease is caused by protozoa? Option 1 is malaria, option 2 hepatitis, option 3 typhoid, option 4 diphtheria. So the correct answer is malaria. Question number 52, after getting a vaccination the body never let the same virus into it. Option 2 is the body always become ill for short time. Option 3 body get used to a weaker from the virus. Option 4 none of this. So the correct answer is body get used to weaker from the virus. Question number 53, anemia in our country is essential due to option 1 is calcium deficiency, option 2 iodine deficiency, option 3 iron deficiency, option 4 is phosphorus deficiency. So the correct answer is iron deficiency. Question number 54 is an important nutrition program among preschool children that leads to various degree of growth retardation is known as. Option 1 is protein energy malnutrition, option 2 energy malnutrition, option 3 protein malnutrition, option 4 is all of the above. So the correct answer is all of the above. Question number 55 is how are the disease and illness often caused? Option 1 is by vaccination at a too early age. Option 2 by bacteria and virus that attack our body. Option 3 is by antibodies that get into our body. Option 4 is none of the above. So the correct answer is by bacteria and virus that attack our body. So that's it for today guys. I hope you like this session. If you like this session please like, share, subscribe for this channel.